we've not seen for quite some time. Not the same type of ball game coming off Mark. Here he is, drives off the left. Early attack is good for Mark Meneses. Rebounded by, I didn't see who got the rebound. Itchy with a steal, that's number 3. Itchy, sprint. 13 on the shot clock. 1-2-2 is the zone being played. Tamsi with the quick hands. Turnover for Jem Cruz. Takbo ang Cebu. Mark Meneses all the way for the lane.
Early pitch ahead and you ball reverse it the other side.
Ice with a quick
There you
hands. The lefties are doing it all. Ice with 5 in the ball game.
The club that's called FBA here in the South. One of my players in some recreational leagues that we have here.
Offensive rebound by Aaron Akop. Drives. Akop. Bounce pass to March De Leon is challenged by Camacho. Meneses, push ball. Itchy all alone for the 2.
That's where it becomes. But Itchy also had the lane. Di rin niya kinuha, no?
Akop with a turnover. 4 versus 2. Tamsi to the left is a miss. Balik kay Itchy. Sheta na lang. Meneses. Strong once again. Camacho on the 3rd try. Still blocked. Pang-4 na pagkakataon. Wala pa rin. Cruz on the drive. Stops. Uses the bank.
Yeah.
It's good for Jem Cruz. Ikot ang bola. Itchy uses it. Chavez. Drive and kick. Tamsi on the corner. Straight lining in. Triple. Number 4 for Al Francis Tamsi. Ball rebounded by Mart. Isa pang pagkakataon. 3 is short. 3rd try. No fresh 14. Moralejo with the left. That was tough for Josh Moralejo. 2 shooters on the court in Hisalem and Tamsi. Wowie Escosio just too long and too strong on the inside.
They might need to use that power inside, that heft.
Akop on the drive, middle. Float is good. Wanted the foul. Are we still even surprised?
Not anymore.
Coach Mike, we're just fans at this point.
That's right.
The Chavez can't get the float. Isa pang offensive rebound. Wowie powers through the inside.
The team that he played, I'm not sure if it was Davao. I thought he was really playing very well, especially on the perimeter. Smooth.
Bump basket bonus. They go corner. Almost a turnover. It's short. Takbo. Armenion all alone will get this lay.
Well, it's the fast breaks. Diyan bumabawi.
It's been long para dito kay Aaron Akop. Through the middle. Turnover for Josh Moralejo. Hesalem, he likes this. Early 3 for Hesalem is good. This is now a 7-point lead. Akop has struggled from the outside. Cut through the middle. The dive is successful.
Really been more dynamic for Cebu.
Andre,
Wow.
beautiful pass going down to Elmer Chavez.
So I felt nagmadali yung tira na yun para kay Chavez.
Corner for Moralejo, can't get it. March, jumper, good for March. Andre, bigay dito kay Denison. Armenion hesitates, drives. Scoop shot by Andre Armenion.